PM asked me to organize the submission data, but the drawing index still isn't ready, and some plans already have revisions. Instead of opening sheets one by one and rebuilding everything in Excel one prompt, tell BIBIM, generate a complete drawing index with revisions, status, and discipline grouping. BIBIM asks for a quick confirmation on discipline prefixes. Next, click Generate Code, then BIBIM is generating the code automatically and starts indexing the sheets. The generated code appears for review. After checking it, click Apply Changes. Done. BIBIM shows the result and exports the indexed report to Excel instantly. Let's check the Excel file. Sheet number, sheet name, revision, discipline, and submission status all organized automatically. Preliminary and issued are clearly separated, making the submission package easy to review. Alright, I'll send this to PM now. Now, he's asking how I finished this so quickly. Guess I should go show him BIBIM. Let's try BIBIM.